Here we have a 21 plate BMW M340D XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. They include the Shadowline package and the technology package. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, the red brake calipers. We also have the mineral white exterior metallic paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We have the gloss black front grills, gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip as well, just on the boot. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the dual exhaust as well at the back, along with the rear diffuser. And back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at another alloy wheel, as you can see again unmarked, when having a look at the interior, so inside of the back first you find we have the full black leather interior. Apologies about the sun. We have the fixed ISO points and the foldable armrest back here. We also have the climate control down there for the rear passengers with the M Sport style seat belts. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, we have the ambient lighting and also the electric windows. Now if you have a look at the front, again we have the same full leather interior, and both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Again, the Premium Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting, electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the automatic lights, the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side. Taking the seat inside, you find we have the digital dashboard just there in front of us. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control. We have the high beam assist on this stalk just here. The main screen here in the centre, so if you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. Just turn the volume down. As you can see on the digital dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. We also have the heads-up display just here. We have the main screen here in the centre. If any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life. So as you can see, we have the sat-nav. We also have a range of media, such as the radio. We also have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. The Bluetooth phone connectivity. We also have a range of apps currently installed on this vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If you go into the home, go into car, this is where you find we have the settings for the interior ambient lighting, where we have plenty of colours just down here which we can choose from. We have the different drive modes, so we have the adaptive drive mode, we have Eco Pro, we have Comfort and also Sport, which has the Sport Plus or just the standard mode. We have the intelligent safety just down here, making it a nice, safe vehicle to drive. And if you put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera along with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, moving further down, heated seat buttons on either side, along with the ice cold air conditioning, working as it should do, as you can see. We have some storage space along with the wireless phone charging, automatic gearbox, shortcuts for the infotainment screen, different drive mode buttons, electric handbrake and a nice leather armrest just there in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.